My name is Clifton Cole. My title is Virtual Design and Construction Director, and I work for the PENTA Building Group. One of the things that are critical in our industry is getting the information to the people that need it the most. Starting from the conceptual phase to always to close out. Making sure that we have the right information in a timely manner to the right people is absolutely a challenge. In our industry, we do have a productivity problem that we have to improve, and most of the productivity loss comes from the lack of information or incorrect information, and that causes rework, which rework causes schedule delays, which schedule delays cause cost impacts. Connected construction will provide value and increase productivity across the board, and every single person, every single team member, from the design team to the engineering team to the construction team to the owner. Autodesk Construction Cloud enables connected construction by providing a single platform that provides different modulars for different people, regardless of whether you're in the field or whether you're in the office, or whether you're traveling between job sites. You're connected between people inside your company and outside your company. It truly provides an inclusive workflow that allows individuals, regardless of where they're at, to have the same information and have the most accurate information. It's really making sure that we have standardization and the right solutions is absolutely a vital tool to help us be more productive in our industry.